Inspired by the exquisite craftsmanship of vintage French timepieces, the antique is proof that elegant doesn't have to be boring. A perfectly proportioned 42mm diameter, 12.5mm thick polished stainless steel case seamlessly flows into a matching 22.5mm wide 316L 5-link solid bracelet. Gaze upon the antique's stunning face with its open heart detailing. A tiny window in which you can peer into its exquisite inner workings where a Japan-made NH38 automatic movement precisely ticks away the time. Completing this upscale package is a sapphire crystal front glass, while 10 ATM water resistance allows you to not worry about the occasional splash. The Villandry Antique carries an air of sophistication everywhere it goes, and is sure to elevate the style of its wearer from elegant to exceptional.